so beautiful, we want them with us. Stop them. Raining. Beautiful, stop raining. Stop them raining. They are so beautiful,
cloudy
I
out.
want them with us.
Okay, bro. Why it gotta be so cloudy right now? It's trying to smoke, but it's raining. Yeah. Hey. It's raining, it's pouring, I'm pouring my potion, leaving my motion, nigga, we in commotion. You already know I got my locomotive, hitting this shit while I'm pouring my drink. Pour a 4 in a soda pop, that shit lame. What the fuck you know, I'm sipping on judo, nigga, I be chillin' on Pluto like Bruno. Fucking with this shit how I be running up these sticks and I be fucking on your bitch and I'ma let that shit hit. Me and my niggas, we really be fucking jocking because we keep them fucking sockets because they really be popping, popping these noggins. Niggas get like a rocket. Hold on, wait, I'ma let this shit drop while we be passing these nuggets. Hold up, yeah, I'ma eat some dino nuggets. Me and my niggas just got this shit up because we running all the buckets.
Hey, yeah, I just got done from fucking smoking and pulling up my potion, and now I feel like I don't got no fucking motion. And lately I've been feeling way too motherfucking hopeless. Yeah, let's keep it going. Yeah, your bitch up on my dick, she sucking on my tip. Hey, she sucking the soul and feelings out of my dick. Hey, so I don't give a shit, still clutching on my blick. Hey, 4-5 with a switch. Yeah, this bitch hit. Hey, yeah, best believe we gonna catch him, see some red. Hey, yeah, your bitch in my fucking bed, ay, but soon as I bust, I told that bitch to get up out my crib, ay, cause I don't got no feelings for no bitch, ay, yeah, so I been coming with the big triggers, big hitters, ay, 380 is gonna knock your ass out your feelings, ay, and I don't got no feelings for no bitch, yeah, the only thing I trust is my motherfucking blick, yeah, that's how it is.
Yeah, that's how it is. Me and my niggas, we just gonna keep these in the bins. Yeah, you already know we got them motherfucking tens. Not the speakers, not the rims, but we gonna do this shit up with my gang, chillin' with no lames, cause we all for the fame. You already know I keep it paid, man. Hold on, wait, ain't no paying money, just throwing dimes. Fucking with this shit, nigga just got a dime piece. We gonna do this shit up while we running all the feasts. Take this shit up, nigga, this ain't no lease.
Yeah, nothing I ever own is leased. Yeah, it's either stolen and I bought it for me. Yeah, so do not play with me. I've been living in the streets, lacking. Hell no, I'll put you underneath,
Leave you in a casket, no cracking. Nigga, what's the happening? I don't even know what's breaking.